Why do 80% of businesses in Rincon choose Rincon Rocks Radio? Because they know the power of ultimate promotion. Rincon Rocks Radio and Promotions is your ultimate partner for unbeatable marketing deals. Imagine this, for less than $5 a day, you get a quarter-page ad in our monthly digital and print books, featured on Amazon, plus a custom business video and daily social radio commercials. Sounds incredible, right? Need more? Upgrade to our half-page ad at $200 per month for a full 1-minute radio ad, a video that can be updated weekly, and half-page digital and print exposure. Talk about value. And if you want the full package, our full-page ad is less than $100 per week. That's personalized video, full-page print and digital ads, and live remote coverage with broadcasts every day of the week. Don't miss out on the chance to make your business shine. Contact Rincon Rocks Radio and Promotions at 1-787-546-3252 or visit rinconrocksradio.com. Let's rock your business together.
Good morning, Puerto Rico. It's Cam live with Rincon Rocks Radio. We are live once again. Rincon Rocks Radio and Promotions. QR code up there in the upper left-hand corner. If you want to pop on over and listen to the radio station, that'll get you there. Next QR code is the Elite Credit and Investors Advisors, and that's what we're doing this morning. We are trading the Micro-Emini Futures on the Nasdaq stock market, and we are getting down to business. The market opened about 2 minutes ago. We're going to let it trade just a little bit. Then we're going to pop in there, and I'll explain to you what it's doing and how it's doing it. And we'll see where we can go from there. Let's see what's up in Rincon.
7 days, endless beats. Rincon's biggest music and culture festival drops this February. From February 16th to the 22nd, What's Up Rincon transforms Puerto Rico into your ultimate cultural playground. Monday kicks off with karaoke at La Estacion and drawing classes in Isabela. Tuesday brings live music at Nacho Libre and happy hour at Shipwreck. Wednesday explodes with art and music in Mayaguez and artisan nights in Isabela. Thursday features art walks in Rincon's public plaza and salsa classes in Aguada. Friday heats up with salsa dancing in Isabela and artisan nights in Anasco. Weekend warriors can hit farmers markets in Aguadilla and Rincon, plus craft markets and bingo at Caddy's Calypso Cafe. Call 1-877-54-63252 for special requests. Welcome to Paradise Island Radio Station, where the beats never stop.
And we are back. We can see that the market is trading a little bit short this morning. So on the short side, we can jump in there. It looks like we made $810 on a little trade we did this morning so far. We're going to get in there on the red side. We're going to click red for the sell button. We're going to put in for 5 units. Go ahead and click in there and get in there. So we are making money as we speak. We can see the green highlights for the take profit. We're going to go ahead and come down there about $100. Let that sit a minute. Let it trade toward that $100 mark. It's already on the $20, $25, $30 mark. It's going to climb up there to the $105, and we'll make that profit live. As that red candle trades down to that green mark, we'll be making that profit. In the meantime, let's learn a little bit about one of our sponsors this morning, which is Paradise Falls Taxi Service.
My taxi driver just showed me a beach that's not on Google Maps. And that's when I realized Paradise Falls Taxi isn't just about getting from point A to point B. These drivers are your local insiders in Rincon, Puerto Rico. They know the hidden gems, the best photo spots, and exactly when to avoid tourist crowds. Available 24/7 with bilingual service, whether you need an airport pickup, a quick ride around town, or a tour of beaches you'll never find on your own. Check their app for pricing and book your ride. Because sometimes the best part of your trip isn't the destination,
it's who's driving you there.
Paradise Falls Taxi Service, your gateway to the real Puerto Rico.
One more time, we are trading the Micro-Emini Futures on the Nasdaq stock market. On the TradingView platform, we can get you a free 30-day trading platform just by calling us at 1-877 587-4540. Get started with your new program. Be sure and contact us for more information on your private one-on-one Zoom class. With that, we're going to watch a little information from our latest sponsor this week, Connect PR in Aguada.
Welcome to Connect PR,
Bienvenidos a Connect PR,
a bilingual church in the heart of Aguada, Puerto Rico,
una iglesia bilingüe en el corazón de Aguada, Puerto Rico,
where faith is alive and worship is modern,
donde la fe está viva y la adoración es moderna,
and everyone is welcome.
y todos son bienvenidos.
At Connect PR, we believe church should feel like home,
En Connect PR creemos que la iglesia debe sentirse como hogar,
a place to connect with God and with people,
un lugar para conectarte con Dios y con las personas,
and grow in purpose and community,
y crecer en propósito y comunidad,
led by Pastor Diane Johnson Seaton
guiados por la pastora Diane Johnson Seaton
and Pastor Camila Raza.
y la pastora Camille Rosa.
We're building a life-giving church with passionate worship,
Estamos construyendo una iglesia llena de vida con adoración apasionada,
relevant teaching, and real relationships.
enseñanza relevante y relaciones auténticas.
No matter where you're from or what language you speak,
No importa de dónde vengas ni el idioma que hables,
there's a place for you here.
aquí hay un lugar para ti.
Come as you are.
Ven tal como eres.
This is Connect PR,
Esto es Connect PR,
where faith, life, and community connect.
donde la fe, la vida y la comunidad se conectan.
And we are back. We are trading the Nasdaq E-mini Micro Futures this morning, and we are up about $25 to $30. We're trading this green candlestick you see right here, and we're waiting for it to climb up a little further to hit the $102 mark. That's $102.50 marked right there on the green. While we're waiting for it to go up, we are going to pop over and learn a little bit more about why we trade the market and how we get the knowledge to learn to trade.
You need to hear this if you're curious about trading stocks or crypto but worry about losing money. Let's talk risk-free learning. Welcome to Elite Credit and Investment Program, where you can learn to trade stocks and cryptocurrencies in a completely simulated environment. No risk, all reward. Imagine gaining the skills to navigate volatile markets confidently, all while using TradingView, absolutely free with any package bundle. That's right, a professional-grade trading platform at your fingertips with zero financial risk. Our simulated trading experience lets you practice real-time strategies, test your knowledge, and grow your confidence, all before you ever put your money on the line. It's the perfect way to learn and master the markets. Ready to start your journey? Call 1-939-739-4045 to schedule a free Zoom class, or visit elitecreditandinvestmentadvisors.com to fill out our contact form. Don't wait. Take control of your financial future today with risk-free trading powered by TradingView. Elite Credit and Investment Program. Your path to mastering the market starts here.
And we are back. You can tell by the fact that there are numbers in the green there that we're in the profit. We could jump out and make the profit right there. But I'm going to go ahead and let it trade up there to $102. Our goal every day, 9:30 a.m. when the market opens, is to make a minimum of $100. Sometimes we make $3, $5, all the way up to $1,000 in the 15 or 20 minutes that we're on. Sometimes we're on a half hour or so. It depends on how the market's trading and if we've got input from you watchers out there that are interested in learning a little bit more about it. We do have a completely free trading platform. It's risk-free. It costs about $14.50 to $20 a month if you do decide to sign up after your first 30 days free. That's completely on you. So we did literally just see the take profit at $102 come across the board. So we're up $750.60 for the morning. I'm going to go ahead and get back in. I'm going to click the blue buy button, which indicates that I'm going to go long. And long is when the green candles are trading up. Short is when the red candles are trading down. We are on the Micro-Emini Nasdaq 100 Index Futures, which are what I consider one of the least expensive futures trading to get into, and they're the least expensive as far as risk versus reward. So I've got 5 units selected. I'm going to go ahead and select 15 units because I'm at $1,750 in my account balance. I'm going to need at least $1,500 in the account to trade this. I'm going to trade 15 units and get in there. And then when it clicks in, I'm going to make, I think we'll set the bar today to make $500 in one trade so that you can see how quickly you can possibly, if conditions are right and favorable, make $500 in one trade. So go ahead and select that one more. There it is. I'm going to go raise the take profit up to $500. So there we are at $502. You'll notice that the green is trading across the blue line. So we're in the money already at $135. We're going to dial this down where you can see. Let's go ahead. Where is our take profit set at? There, 500. I want that lock in. It should be locking in. All right. So we're at 135, 142, vacillating back and forth a little bit. 157, 172, 225, 210. It's on its way. You can see the green candle. It's trading up. It's on its way up there to the $502. We're going to watch it just a few minutes. It's going to reach up there and tag that green indicator, and that'll be $500. And then we'll put that in the bank. It'll pop in right down here. You'll see it go from 1,750. You'll see it increase to 750 by $500 once it does reach that amount. It's at $230 now. Steady rising up. All right. Kind of vacillating back and forth. If the screen was just a little bit bigger, you could see this indicator as well as I do, but we'll work on making that larger for you. Maybe I can close this out. You might be able to see it a little better right there. So as the candles are trading, we're going to go ahead and see a little bit more information about what gives us the ability to give you instruction. Is I've got about 15 years in the market altogether, 10 years trading, 5 years of training and education. I'm in a continuing education with Yale University on a regular basis. I can help you get set up with that as well. So you can get authorized certificates of finance coming out of Yale University. It's not an expensive course. I can turn you into that if you like. No affiliate or anything with them. I just happen to know where you need to go to get that. And with that, I'm going to play a little information about Rincon Rocks Radio and our trading process.
Attention Rincon Art Walk artists, musicians, and makers. Rincon Rocks Radio wants to feature you free. Live stream, radio, and video. Showcase your work and your story. We cover Rincon every Thursday plus surrounding craft activities. What you get: a full interview about your art, plus a personalized commercial with your name and art. Apply at rinconrocksradio.com, use the contact form, or call 787-546-3252. Tell friends to tune in and listen for your feature. Rincon Rocks Radio Paradise Island Radio, the best of the 60 seconds, 70 seconds, 80 seconds, and beyond.
And we're back. And we are trading at 465, 480, on its way to the $510 mark there, on its way up. It's almost there. You can see the green candle is literally just almost touching the profitability mark. Okay. And that's what we're waiting for. We're going to give it just a minute. Try to give it just a second to trade up there while we watch a little bit of information about what gives us the credibility to trade. Here we go.
Former Nobel Prize student reveals how $500 becomes 50 KLA using secret wealth pillars. Meet Dr. Cam Todd, known as the Crypto Samurai. He studied under Robert Shiller, the Nobel Prize-winning Yale economist who predicted both the dot-com crash and the housing bubble. Now, Dr. Todd has written 7 books on cryptocurrency and blockchain, and he's taking that elite-level knowledge to the masses. Operating from Puerto Rico under Act 60, he's developed the 3 pillars of wealth system that transforms small investments into substantial returns. His mission? To give everyday investors the same tools and strategies that the financial elite use to build generational wealth. If you're ready to think like the pros and turn your modest savings into real wealth, the Crypto Samurai is about to show you exactly how it's done.
And we're back. So we're at, again, over $300 toward the 5, trading back and forth a little bit. You can see that trend right there. It's red, green, red. It really can't make its mind up, but we do know that it's going to go up there in just a few minutes and tag out on the green. We're fully confident that it's a bull market for the day. It's already traded down pretty substantially right here and leveled off. Went back up, it's leveled off again. I'm looking for a breakout up to the green level. And once it does that, we'll call that a day. We'll be over $1,000 for the day. We did start with $500 in our trading account. We're up to $750. We could stop right now and call it a day and have made plenty of profit. But instead, we're going to let it go ahead and trade and make a little bit more. And at this point, we're going to go ahead and play a little something about our trading.
Elite Trading is offering a risk-free training program at 9:30 a.m. Monday through Friday and 7 p.m. Monday through Friday. Learn the ups and downs and ins and outs of the stock market on a free Zoom class without risking even $1 of your own money. Whether you're completely new to trading or you've been burned before, this program removes the biggest barrier to learning. No upfront costs, no hidden fees, no pressure to invest your own capital. Just pure education from experienced traders who understand that knowledge comes before profit. You'll discover proven strategies, risk management techniques, and market analysis skills that typically cost thousands to learn elsewhere. Join us online at elitecreditinvestmentadvisors.com or call 1-208-417-5655. Don't let fear keep you from financial education.
And we're back. So, as they mentioned earlier, I have written several books on financial education. The first one is called Credit Mastery. It's a deep dive into your personal credit score. We let you log on to our AI credit dispute beast and take a look at your score, where you're at, and it'll give you step-by-step instructions. Click the button on the AI and it will repair your credit. I have seen it going up 2.5, 300 points every 30 days until your score is where you want it to be. The second thing we teach on is building business credit. So I teach you how to build your own business, work from home if you choose, or a brick and mortar office, however you decide to do it. Build your business credit on your EIN, not your social security number. That's how to build business credit. Personal credit is 0 to 850 on your social. Business credit is 0 to 100 built on your business EIN. And you can build your business credit up quickly and easily, and that allows for you to have a second source of income, one of the many multiple sources of income. And finally, understanding and learning to trade the stock market. For example, like we are today on the Micro-Emini Nasdaq Futures, you can learn to trade crypto if you choose. You can learn to trade commodities, just anything to do with the stock market. If I don't know it, then I might know somebody that does. So it's a one-stop shop for information for you and yours. With that, we're going to play a little something, and then we'll be right back.
Elite Consultants has the best possible program within their 3 pillars of wealth program. Starting with the AI Dispute Beast system, we repair and replace your personal credit. Next, we use the latest in program for business credit building and advertising, leverage AI. Finally, we study the stock market with a prop firm. So you risk none of your own money but use 50k or more to trade and make a commission. Call 1-877-877-587-4540 to get started now and start making money now.
And we're back. Once again, as I predicted earlier, we had a huge spike in the green. You can see it there. The greens literally went out of sight. That means that the buyers are in. We are up well over $1,000. We're going to go ahead and set our take profit at $1,500 because we're pretty sure that it's going to go up there. $800 in the good right now on the green. I'm going to go ahead and take that off the table, close that position out. When it closes, you'll hear a beep, and then we'll look and see what kind of cash that we're up for the day. Looks like we are in May. We made over $1,000 today. So let me see if I can bring that up, make that bigger for you real quick. I did not foresee the enormous rise that you see ahead of you right there. I didn't see that thing going all the way up, but you can see, take a glance how from the point we were at right here, how it's literally still going up. Okay. So that's some of the things that you can kind of look at. If you know your position is good and you know that they're going to be long or in the bull market, let's look at our news and see what happened. So 1 hour ago, it says had the U.S. stock index futures were slipping as AI disruption fears linger. Okay. And that 2 hours ago, we had sleepy Uber bulls were in the news. So that's going to tell you that basically they had a little fear. There was a little fear going on in the market as it trended across here. I went ahead and got in because I knew that at the market at 24,600 was way below average. It needed to be around 600 or so. So that's my reasoning for getting in. If you'll notice, I'm going to go ahead and click the day at a glance. You can see that it's been trending and generally averaging down under where it should be. So naturally, I'm going to trade the bull market long. All right. So long story short, this little figure right here, if you can zoom in and see it at all, I'm going to try hard to make it bigger for you. Let me see if there's any possibility. Go to full screen mode there. No, that doesn't help. Pop out. I'm going to try coming in one more time. You can see that meteoric rise right there. That's where we're at. That's live stock market trading right there. It's live data. That's the real market. Even though we're on a trading view simulated platform so that you're not risking any real revenue, no money out of your pocket, we see the realized profit and loss right here. And I am working on, let's see if I can make that just a little bigger. No, I know what I can do. Hold on. Here we go. I will take a snippet of it real quick. I want you to see this $2,000 day. All right. So there we are. I'm going to slide this over here. So I just took this snippet off of the main page. And I'm going to share my screen one more time. Snippet tool. Let's have a look at that. All right. So let's see if I can make that bigger. I think I can. There you go. You should be able to read $2,549.70. And that's how much we made just this morning. We've been on about 24 minutes. and we made over $2,000 on the virtual trading with the TradingView platform. And that's what we want to do. We want to give you free training. Just call us at the 877-587-4540. We'll get on your schedule. We'll set up a free Zoom class with you, and we'll show you, excuse me, the background in technical analysis, fundamental analysis, all of the tips and tricks that we have, all of the gadgets. You can also zoom in on this QR code in the upper left-hand corner right here if you're interested in seeing our Elite Trading website. We're available there. And with that, that's about enough time for today. We're at 25 minutes. I like to stay on 20, 25, 30 minutes a day to let you know that we care and that we have something of value for you out there, whether it's personal credit building, building business credit, or learning to trade on the stock market. So with that, I'm going to play a little information on our credit program, and then we will sign off for the day.
I went from a 520 credit score to 750 in 90 days using AI. And not gonna lie, I was skeptical at first, but this program literally taught me everything. Credit repair with Dispute Beast, building business credit, AI, advertising, even daily trading lessons with real people on Zoom. It's actually insane how much they cover. And the best part, zero risk, which honestly sold me. If you want in, call 1-877-587-4540 right now because seating is actually limited. And I'm not just saying that.
And Dr. Cam, one more time, signing off for the day. We'll be back on this evening at 7 p.m.
Ever wondered what paradise sounds like? Rincon's best-kept secret is on the airwaves. Rincon Rocks Radio delivers classic rock from the 60s, 70s, 80s, and beyond, but we're so much more than music. Join Dr. Cam behind the scenes and Anaida Casanova broadcasting live from Rincon's most interesting locations, including the Thursday Art Walk downtown. We know what's happening in paradise because we are paradise. Birthdays, anniversaries, special requests, we play your hits while keeping you connected to authentic island life. Log on at rinconrocksradio.com or call 787-546-3252. Find us broadcasting live from every business in Rincon. This is your soundtrack to paradise.